Please listen now while one of Christianity's leading philosophers, William Lane Craig, gives evidence for intelligent design by describing our fine-tuned universe.
During the last 30 years, scientists have discovered that the existence of intelligent life depends upon a complex and delicate balance of initial conditions given in the Big Bang itself. The existence of intelligent life depends upon a conspiracy of initial conditions which must be fine-tuned to a degree that is literally incomprehensible and incalculable. For example, Stephen Hawking has estimated that if the rate of the universe's expansion 1 second after the Big Bang had been smaller by even 1 part in 100,000 million, the universe would have recollapsed into a hot fireball. P.C.W. Davies has calculated that in order to be suitable for later star formation, without which planets couldn't exist, the relevant initial conditions must be fine-tuned to a precision of 1 followed by 1,000 billion zeros, at least. He also estimates that a change in the strength of gravity or of the weak force by only 1 part in 10 to the 100th power would have prevented a life-permitting universe.
The late Christopher Hitchens pondered this argument and came up with a rebuttal of his own, which turned out to be a strawman argument. Let's give a listen.
Every single second, a star like our own, the equivalent of our own, blows up and goes out. That happens every second, okay? If I keep to time, see if you can imagine this. Our brains aren't really constructed to imagine it very well. If I keep to my time, 540 great stars and suns will have vanished from the cosmos. It's a sobering thought. We're fortunate in being around to observe the continuing effects of the Big Bang and the mass destruction that it's unleashed. Future generations, if there are enough of them, won't be able to observe it so well. Why is that? Because as the Hubble telescope has shown us, the man for whom the telescope was named, Edwin Hubble, was slightly wrong. He knew the Big Bang was still going on. He knew the universe was still expanding. But he thought the universe rate of expansion would start to slow. What's been discovered by studying the red light shift is to the contrary. It's blowing apart much faster than we thought, and with huge, massive swathes of actual current and potential and future destruction. Soon, 2 galaxies, you can already see it in the night sky. You can see the future in the sky already, not as a vision, not as a revelation, not as an omen or a portent. You can see the Andromeda galaxy coming towards you. The collision between our galaxy and Andromeda is a certainty. It's inscribed in all the laws of physics. We know it's coming. It'll destroy some stars, but it'll probably succeed in making an amalgamation. May even become the only remaining galaxy. See if you think that religion is any help to you in considering that very real and important fact.
Well, Mr. Hitchens was very well read in the classics and the sciences, but when it comes to knowledge of the Bible, Mr. Hitchens, to be kind, I'll say he left a great deal to be desired. What he's proposing here about Andromeda and all of that is not something new to Christians. The Bible informed us a long time ago, in fact thousands of years ago, of what was going to happen to the earth. And it did this long before anybody knew anything about a Big Bang or any of that. And I will post verses that confirm that. As far as us being consoled after knowing this is going to happen, of course we're going to be consoled. We believe in an afterlife, and we know what's coming is going to be thousands of times greater than anything we experience on this planet. So for him to think we're going to be surprised, well, he was just sadly mistaken. As right now I'm sure he knows. for he was sent to meet his Maker. And if you want to understand more about this fine-tuning of our universe, I recommend you go watch a video called The Privileged Planet. It's on YouTube. I think you'd find it quite interesting. Here are the verses that confirm what the Bible teaches about the end of the earth.